question is making use of the cube root table. Find the cube roots of the following correct to 3 decimal places. So the first number given is 7800. We can write 7800 as 100 into 78. So we will look for 78 in the table. So 78 is here. We will look for the third column, which is cube root of 100x. X here is 78. So our answer will be this. So we can write cube root of 7800 equals to 19.830. Now the second number is 1346. Now we know that 1346 lies between 1300 and 1400. So we can say that cube root of 1346 lies between cube root of 1300 and cube root of 1400. So cube root of 1346 lies between, first we will find the cube root of 1300. So we will look for 13 in the table, 13 is here, and we will look the third column, which is cube root of 100x, x here is 13. So our answer will be this. So we can write here 10.91. Now we will find the cube root of 1400. 14 is here, and again we will look for the third column, which is this. So here we can write 11.19. So the difference between 1400 and 1300 is 100, and the difference between the cube roots of 1400 and 1300 is 0.28. Now 1346 is 46 digits away from 1300. So we will find the difference between the cube roots of 46 digits, which will be 0.28 divided by 100 into 46. So this will be equal to 0.1288. So this is the difference between the cube root of 1346 and cube root of 1300. So now we can say that cube root of 1346 is equals to 10.91 plus 0.1288. So 10.91 plus 0.1288 will be 8830111. So this is equal to approximately 11.039. So this is our cube root of 1346. Now our third digit is 250. We can write 250 as 10 into 25. So we will look for 25 in the table. So 25 is here, and we will look for the second column, which is cube root of 10x. X here is 25. So this will be the answer. So we can write cube root of 250 equals to 6.3